Hello everyone. In today's newspaper, there is an article regarding under what circumstances a juvenile can be treated as an adult under Juvenile Justice Act. Right? So there was one article. This is a quick revision of that article, what exactly we have. So we all know that the National Commission for Protection of Child Rights, National Commission for Protection of Child Rights, what it has done is it has asked whether the juvenile justice boards that were constituted under the Juvenile Justice Act are working in line with the Juvenile Justice Act of 2015. Now, what exactly is this Juvenile Justice Act? Now, juveniles are those children who are less than 18 years. Now, it has to be understood that in India, the laws that are applicable for children are different and the laws that are applicable for adults are different. If a crime is committed by a child, then the punishment will be one thing, whereas if the same crime is committed by an adult, the punishment will be different. So this was done as per reasonable classification under the laws under Article 14 of Indian Constitution. Now, after Nirbhaya incident in the year 2012, there was huge agitation against this definition of child, because until 18 years, if you are not punishing a child for heinous crimes, then it is these people, children between 16 to 18 years, are going to commit heinous crimes. So in order to overcome this problem, Juvenile Justice Act, which was earlier enacted in the year 2000, it was amended in the year 2015, and as per this amended, those who are between 16 to 18 years of age, these children, if they are committing some crimes, their crimes will be classified into three things. One is petty crimes, small crimes, moderate crimes, heinous crimes. If they are doing heinous crimes, the law says that they have to be treated as an adult, and the same punishment as it is given for an adult should be given for them also. Now here the thing is, whenever you are treating them as an adult, how can you consider a juvenile as an adult? For that, there has to be a board called Juvenile Justice Board, which will say whether the crime committed is heinous crime or not, and whether the child should be treated as an adult for that particular case. So this is the case. So Juvenile Justice Act 2015 has replaced Juvenile Justice Act of 2000. This is because to ensure those juveniles in the age of 16 to 18 years, whether they should be considered as child, as adult, depending upon the crime. So seriously, there are three types of categories under which crimes are classified for this category of people. They are petty crimes, serious offenses, heinous crimes. For heinous crimes, this category children will be considered as adults. Now, how they can be considered? Through a body known as Juvenile Justice Board. Now, what is the functions of this Juvenile Justice Board? They have given here. The function is, it is responsible for preliminary investigation of the case. It has to give the certificate of counsel, that is copy of the order of the counsel to the parents along with the advocates of the child's family. Third one is, while deciding whether that person can be tried as an adult or not, you have to take the help of some psychologists who are well versed in child psychology. So they have to take the help of child psychologists. Along with this, they should give training for those who are in the board as per the psychology of children. These are the four things that this board has to do. Finally, this board is responsible, or the functions of this board is taken care by or looked after by National Commission for Protection of Child Rights. Now recently there has been some, because of this many huge provisions, it is being said that the board is unable to follow the norms or the principles which were enshrined in Juvenile Justice Act. As a result, National Commission for Protection of Child Rights has called whether this provisions has to be relaxed, or whether how we can make these provisions to be much better to be implemented in the practical circumstances. So this is how a juvenile can be tried as an adult in the court. Just remember, Justice Verma Committee has said these things. Juvenile Justice Board 2000, Juvenile Justice Board 2015, under what circumstances you can commit or you can consider a child as an adult, what is the procedure and what is the functions of the board. These are the things that is there here. Thanks for joining.